Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can edit text template in CapCut, especially on how to remove and add animation of text template. Okay, here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to add text template to my video. We can click on the text option and click on text template, and I'm going to add this text template without animation. Okay, and click on the check mark, and as you can see that there's no option to add animation, but I'm going to show you the trick how we can add animation. We can click on the separate option, and then we just need to click on animation and select the animation that you want to apply to your text template. I'm just going to select this one, this pop-up animation. So if you want to edit your text template, you have to click on the separate first so we can edit it. And the second one, I'm going to show you how we can remove animation of the text template. I'm going to add text template with animation. So I'm gonna go with this. Wait guys, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, as you can see that there is animation, and I'm going to remove the animation. And first of all, we can click on separate and click on animation, and we're going to click on this none, and then the animation will be removed. And I guess that's how we can edit text template in CapCut, especially on how to remove and add animation of text template. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.